What if I told you can make money today? Like before even the sun sets. But you're too busy waiting for someone to approve you or to approve your hustle. No, let's fix that. Today I'll be giving you 7 hustles that will pay you daily. You don't need a degree. There's no boss, just your brain and your hunger. And if you want the full breakdown, type daily in the comment section and I'll send you the full hustle manual directly. Because we don't gatekeep here. Support me by buying me coffee, link below. You can also grab my ebook and my chaos proof monthly system. All links are in the description. Now, do you know that there's a broke person's lie? There's something like that. We grew up being told that money comes at the end of the month. But guess what? That lie only benefits your employer, not you. In some cases, rent doesn't wait till 30th. So why should your income? I'm here to tell you, daily money isn't just possible. It's essential, especially when you're broke. It's like water, okay? You don't store it in tanks. You need it now. I remember some time back when I had just 53 shillings, 53 bob in my M-Pesa. That's where, that amount where it's too little to withdraw, but just enough to make you feel ashamed of even checking. So that was the time I built a system. A system where something had to pay me every day. I didn't care what it was. I just had to find that one thing. Not passive income, not affiliate links. Nah. I mean hustles that pay you before you sleep. Let's go. Hi, I'm Miss Muithathi and welcome back to my channel. Here is hustle number 1, the 1 hour errand hustle. You see, everyone right now is too busy. Even when you stand somewhere, everyone, even in town, people are just busy going somewhere. Okay? People have stuff to do. Because we all know time is money. But now time is money. Other people's time is your money. Do this. Post this on WhatsApp. Your WhatsApp status. Right? I'm running errands today for busy people. Groceries, house help shopping, long queues, and it's 300 Kenya shillings per errand. Fast come, fast served. Post that. And before lunch, you'll have 2 clients. And now, you're now 600 Kenya shillings richer, and you've not even sweated. Here is what I need you to understand. You don't need a job. You need a task. Okay. Hustle number 2, turning PDF to cash. These small guides and notes that you've been holding? Package them into 1-page PDFs and sell them at 199 Kenyan shillings on WhatsApp. One guy sold how to pack well for Dubai and he made 10K in a week. So you're sitting on a hard drive full of unpaid rent. Write a guide, make it pretty, sell it. That's same day cash. Sawa? Hustle number 3, doing TikTok video voiceovers. That's a thing nowadays. Okay? You have a voice, sell it. Which I think if you can be able to make profit using your voice, you better do. Because if you don't, eventually we are heading to times where people clone your voice, whether you like it or not. So make cash with it while you can. So write something like, hi, I'm doing 500 Kenya shillings voiceovers for TikTok, small ads, or YouTube videos. YouTube introductions. All you have to do is send me a script and you'll have it in 2 hours. Imagine just like that. And you can use free tools out there like voice recorder plus AI cleanup. And boom, you have it. So if you have a voice of a Kenyan mother who's chasing rent, it means you're qualified. Okay? If this is giving you ideas already, pause. Type daily in the comments. I'll send you the instant manual because these 7 are just the appetizer. Let's continue. Hustle number 4. Daily dropshipping flip. And no, this is not the common Instagram dropshipping that you know about. It's not the Instagram scam dropshipping. So just listen to me, okay? I mean local flip. Step 1. Find a hot item on Gigi or wholesaler. Step 2. List it on your WhatsApp status or in Facebook Marketplace with a markup. And step 3. When someone orders, use their money to buy it. You get to keep the difference. Okay? For example, buy a ring light at 1,000 Kenya shillings and sell it at 1,500 Kenya shillings. Do that 3 times. That's 1,500 Kenya shillings net in one day. This is cash flow for the broke and brilliant. Ama, kwani, what do you think people do nowadays in Nairobi? They don't have an office. They are sure when they leave their house in the morning, they're coming back with money. No stock, no office, no products. They are using other people's stuff to make money. So, hustle number 5, rewrite CVs. Let's be honest, most CVs in Kenya look like a bad class 3 composition. So, are you hardworking, goal-oriented, and self-driven? Kama unajua kujituma, this is for you. Okay? Even my landlord says that. Charge 700 bob to rewrite CVs. Use ChatGPT, fix their grammar, and throw in LinkedIn optimization for free. They get a job, you get paid today. Okay? Hustle number 6, WhatsApp status seller. Do you know that your WhatsApp status is prime real estate? A lot of people don't think of it like that. This money right there. You ask how? You have 300 plus people, contacts in your phone, right? These people are watching it every day, your WhatsApp status. Yet, you're busy posting birthday wishes and some random quotes. That's where you're getting it wrong. No, turn it into an ad board. For me, my WhatsApp, like 95% of it is business, is what I do. I don't post pictures of me, those things that really don't add me any value. I don't do that. So, turn it into an ad board, okay? Step 1, post this on your status every Monday. Ad slots available this week. Promote your biz, hustle, or product here. I charge 250 Kenya shillings per day. DM me. I'm sure you're sitting there doubting yourself. You see, that's why you have to know what you want. Don't sit on these things. These are opportunities. Try it and see what happens. Even if it doesn't work, you won't lose anything. But if it works, come back and buy me more coffee. Link in the description, okay? So step 1, as I said, post that on your status. Step 2, offer bundle deals. Something like, I'll charge you 1,000 Kenya shillings for 5 days. Step 3, post their posters, okay? Whatever it is that they want you to post. Post their posters, flyers, or their product links once a day. And that's it. I am sure you have seen someone posting a link on their WhatsApp status at some point, because I have. My dear, that's business right there. Okay? It's just that people love gatekeeping. Me, I'm putting it all out there. It's just sad that even at that, even if I put it out there, majority won't do it. So you take advantage of it. Okay? Be the 1%. Anyway, so after you've done all that, that's it. You're now earning between 1,000 Kenya shillings to 2,500 Kenya shillings per week for doing nothing but updating your WhatsApp status. Your boredom is now a business model. And lastly, hustle number 7. Online typing plus voice tasks. And I'm not talking about Upwork. That stuff takes too long. So no, I'm talking about real-time jobs from Kenyan WhatsApp groups. Okay? This can be transcription, short TikTok captions, podcast summaries, and subtitles for videos. Okay? You join 2 or 3 task groups, jump on one 800 shilling job, and you're done by evening. You get paid instantly. You see, these jobs are hidden in plain WhatsApp view. And that's why sometimes we need to be thinking outside the box. And you also need to dare, to be able to dare. Dare to try. See what happens. Okay? To be honest, the reason you're not making daily money is not that you lack opportunity. I keep saying that in most of my videos. It's because you still believe that your value is unlocked monthly. No. Listen, no one is coming. The earlier you get that, the better for you. Not HR, not your boss, not that your wealthy aunt or uncle, and surely not your government. But you're here, and I believe you're watching this. You're this close to your breakthrough. All you need now is a system to catch your momentum before it dies. So build that system. In the meantime, type daily in the comments and I'll send you the link to the Instant Hustle Manual, and it's got pricing templates, what to say when pricing, where to find your first 3 clients, and even what to post on WhatsApp or any other platform to sound legit. So grab yours now. Stop waiting. Stop overthinking stuff. Just type daily, I got you. But bottom line is this. This is what I want to leave with you. You don't need permission to build wealth. You need urgency. You need volume. You need movement. This is how I escaped the broke cycle. This is how my clients start seeing money in 24 hours. And this is what you can do before midnight today. I am Miss Muithathi, your personal finance and investment coach, and I'll see you in my next video.